keep a straight line on your back. Now, let me show you the third exercise. Each exercise is a count of 8, okay? You can do as much as you can. So here's the third one. You lean forward, just tu cuerpo para atrás, para adelante, perdón. See? Squeeze your butt. You're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm gonna do the last one to the front. You go. You go. Lean forward. Echa tu cuerpo para adelante. You go. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 y 8. Now, always, 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 before you exercise, you're gonna stretch, and at the end as well, like for a minute each. You're gonna stretch for a minute. You're gonna keep your legs together. You can either, depending on your ability of flexibility, you're gonna either touch your knees or your calves, or if you can't, you're gonna touch your toes. Okay? Either way, or your arms. Just stretch, 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 and you can never help it getting sound bites from this running. Here you go. And you stretch your